Are you a beginner content creator, a busy freelancer, or a small business owner struggling to manage all your digital marketing tasks? Imagine having one powerful AI tool that handles writing, design, video creation, and social media scheduling, all in one place. Welcome to this comprehensive simplified AI review, where we will explore why it is being called the best all in one AI tool for content creation. Many of us juggle multiple subscriptions like Canva, ChatGPT, Descript, and Buffer, costing hundreds and wasting precious hours. Simplified AI is here to change that. It integrates all these functionalities into a single intuitive platform, saving users lots of money and lots of working hours. Let us dive into its incredible features, starting with the AI Writer. Powered by advanced GPT models, Simplified's AI Writer generates SEO optimized, plagiarism free content. Whether you need an AI blog writer for engaging posts, an AI essay writer for academic content, or an AI article writer for captivating stories, Simplified has you covered. It even offers AI chat, a smart alternative to ChatGPT for content ideas, translations, and even code generation. With over 80 templates for Instagram captions, product descriptions, and emails, content creation has never been easier. Users consistently rate it 4.9 out of 5 stars, a testament to its power. Next up, AI design. Simplified's AI presentation maker creates stunning slides in minutes, while the AI thumbnail maker helps you craft eye-catching visuals for YouTube and Shorts. Need high-converting ads? The AI ads generator is your secret weapon. Plus, with the AI image generator powered by DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Flux, and Imagine, you can create unique visuals instantly. Choose from over 10,000 templates across 35 categories and maintain brand consistency with the Brand Kit feature, ensuring your fonts, colors, and logos are always on point. Now, let us talk AI video. The AI video generator transforms text and scripts into professional videos, supporting models like Sora 2 Pro and Veo 3.1. You can even repurpose long videos into viral shorts and reels with the AI Clips generator. The AI text to speech feature offers over 40 voices and voice cloning in 80 plus languages, while the AI subtitle generator provides 30 plus styles and translations, perfect for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Finally, Simplified AI excels in social media management. The AI social media scheduler allows for bulk, video, and carousel scheduling, intelligently suggesting the best times to post. The post generator helps you craft engaging content, and the unified inbox centralizes all your conversations and reviews from different platforms. Plus, detailed analytics provide insights into 12 key metrics across all major social networks. Simplified AI is not just about individual tools, it is about a cohesive ecosystem. It offers AI workflows for no code multi agent orchestration, AI project management boards, and even link in bio pages. This platform is trusted by over 10 million users and boasts an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 5,000 reviews. Testimonials call it a game changer and praise its everything in one product approach. So, how much does this all in one powerhouse cost? Simplified AI offers a free forever plan with 2,000 AI words, 5 AI designs, 1 videos, 3 social media accounts, and 500 megabytes of storage. The Pro plan at just $29 per month. It gives you 10,000 words, 7 social media accounts, and 5 gigabytes of storage. The Business plan is at $79 per month, and the most popular plan, Growth, is at $199 per month. Simplified AI truly is the ultimate AI content creation tool, designed to streamline your workflow and amplify your online presence. Stop juggling multiple tools and start simplifying your success today. Visit remotefutur.com to read the full review and experience the future of content creation. This video was made using HeyGen. If you'd like to know more about HeyGen, the link to the full review is in the description. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.